Okay, so this is the first of 3 translation challenges on the topic of environment and social problems. Broken democracy, so based on the events in Washington last week. Okay, so I've given you a bit of vocab at the bottom to help you, mainly in infinitives. Have a little look through this one. Be careful how we use adjectives, particularly for this one. Run the right way. Preterite tense here. Preterite tense here as well. This one, probably the imperfect. This one is the preterite, but be careful of decir because it's irregular in the preterite. This one imperfect again. I missed this one out. Responsible. Remember, that's an adjective, so it needs to make sure it agrees with the social media sites. What is the rule with TION in English? How does it go in Spanish? And then we've got the simple future here, will happen. All right, and the simple future here as well. Now, I've given you a few words for to happen, so maybe you could vary the way that which you'd use the to happen. Okay, right, pause it now, have a go at the translation, and then we'll go over the answers in a minute. Okay, so here's our translation, and let's have a look at the answers. So las escenas violentas, remember I said about adjectives, so adjective violentas, and escenas are feminine, so we need to make sure that goes afterwards. On Thursday, remember when we do on a day, we do el jueves. Provoked, put provocaron in the preterite. Comentarios de muchas celebridades, de muchos famosos. You could have had varias celebridades or varios famosos. Chris Evans constató in preterite. Okay, el. Now, el we could put in there if you just want to do some emphasizing there, but otherwise you don't need it. Estaba in perfect tense in palabras because it's ongoing. Selena Gomez dijo, so remember decir is irregular in the preterite, so it goes to dijo in the he, she, knit form. Que los sitios, los medios sociales eran, again imperfect because it's ongoing. Responsables we could have used, make sure we got that S in there. Los responsables we could add in there as a bit of emphasis as well. Stevie Wonder estaba, in perfect tense scale, pasmado, que el presidente arriesgaría. So this one's a conditional tense. Don't think I mentioned that when I was going through to start with. So arriesgar, and then we got that ia on the end. Not sure how conditional works. Have a look at my video. Las vidas we could put, or even la vida de la gente americana, or estadounidense. That's a nice adjective. Comes from los Estados Unidos. Or if you use las personas, we'd have americanas or estadounidenses. Remember I said inauguration, T-I-O-N in English, almost always C-I-O-N in Spanish with the accent on the O. So la inauguración de Biden. Pasará, if you use pasar, tendrá. Tener is irregular in the future, in the simple future, and the conditional, so be careful how that goes. Lugar or acontecerá en 2 semanas. Que pasará, now I haven't done all the other possible verbs for will happen there, but you've got exactly, these are the same for this bit here. So, ¿qué pasará entonces? Okay. Go through it again. If you're not sure why you got anything wrong, let your teacher know.